studied at Belarusian International School, Ratnapura. So I always wanted to become a doctor since I was young. So just after A-levels, I did research about medical universities, and I came across BSMU, and it was interesting, and also I thought of choosing that university because it is the best medical university in Belarus, and also it is one of the top ranked medical universities in the world. And after that, when I was searching for agent, I found ISC, which is the official representative of Belarusian State Medical University, and Dr. Harry and the whole group a lot to go through the process. And I'm really excited to start my journey in the university. Thank you.